Hey everybody, real quick. I'm in an area where there's a lot of background noise, hanging out with some relatives. They came into town getting ready for the holidays. So I'll make this really quick because I'm sure I bought one of these Razer headsets, and the damn thing is like too good. It picks up like sounds from a mile away. I'm going to go back and buy another one probably tomorrow that's more dulled out. This one's just like too good. And it makes the audio sound terrible if I'm not like in literally a soundproof room. The main news, we're shooting for putting out the NT8 strategy tomorrow, the strategy that connects to the river indicator. The strat will be called the river strat. Now today on the original pivot point trading strategy, should have been one and done today. We had a short signal right about the same time the river had a signal. Today I was trading the river manually with bracket trading ATM on one set of accounts, did really well, and now we're going to have the automated strategy. So basically, we can trade, from signal to signal, signal to signal to signal. And you can basically play ping pong on whatever charts you're on with optimized settings. The indicator and strategy do not care what kind of Renko you're on. But I will say the river indicator was optimized for symmetrical Renkos, or Renkos that have overlap and look geometric in shape and appearance. So you can use Unirenko, Ninja Renko, Livewire Renko, Renko BXT, any other of the Renkos that are out there from various vendors that you can adjust to look symmetrical. So anyhow, the feedback on the indicator, I've been getting a lot of emails from traders in our group already showing me dialed in settings they have on various instruments and time frames. All I can say is this baby has a wide range of use and capability, both manual, discretionary, and automated, because of the ability and all the adjustability within the indicator. Multiple access of adjustability, a static mode, a dynamic mode. I leave mine in dynamic mode, and I absolutely love this thing. And I've already gotten like some dialed in settings that I'm going to utilize for my own automated trading. And then tomorrow, in conjunction with putting out the automated strategy to the group, because the pivot point trading group and our current special offer pricing that my programmer that owns the site has held, that pricing that's at proptradingindicators.com, as soon as I put out the automated strategy to the group tomorrow with the training video on an initial set of getting started settings, you don't have to figure out settings, just copy what I show you. Then I'm going to immediately go myself or the programmer, and we're going to update the website. We're going to add the river content to the website. We're going to update the pricing and bump it up. And then right after the first of the year, the price will get bumped up one last time. So you can still get the special offer. We were going to change it over the weekend, but I got too busy. Then had relatives show up, and so on and so on. So yeah, this strategy, shooting for it to be out tomorrow. I won't put it out super in the morning. I don't like people grabbing something brand new they've never worked with and then thinking they're going to use it on the open. I will say trade participation and volumes will really start dropping off later part of the day tomorrow. Wednesday could be a real chunk day, and then all the trading days next week are going to be real hit and miss. I typically, between the Christmas and New Year's trading days, I never trade automated out of the open. I wait till the market is reacting to key levels, and then I'll turn on automation. So I'm really selective during that week. Or if the market's just junking out every day, I don't even touch the market. We'll see what happens. So far, we're getting lots of good swings still. So I'm definitely going to trade Tuesday. I'll see what the market's like on Wednesday. And then next week, really, I'm just going to wait until I see the market, reacting to some key level before I turn on strategy. Because I really don't need to trade next week. And I'm going to be busy, again, with relatives and family plans. So I don't want to be spending a lot of time looking at charts between Christmas and New Year. If you have any questions on anything, info@proptradingindicators.com. One last thing, and I'll wrap up because I'm sure the audio is just terrible. Anybody that comes in, it's a 6-month plan. It's not a subscription. It's a one-time buy. Anything new added to the program or any updates, you get that. There's no extra costs. So whatever price point you're in at, you get everything. And my programmer is going to take this prop trading indicator site and turn it into an indicator store where we're going to be continually adding stuff to the website that will continue to be part of the package and the growing pricing and various offerings. But everybody that's in the program now, regardless of when you came in, you keep getting everything. It keeps getting added at no extra cost. So I get lots of emails on that, so I wanted to make that clear. So there you have it. Have a fantastic trade day. I'll be putting more content out tonight, a whole bunch more tomorrow. Especially, we already have the River Indicator out to the Pivot Point Trading Group on the current launch offer. And tomorrow we're going to add in the strategy, and I'm going to have some training content. So everybody will know exactly how to set up their tools with some getting started settings, so you're up and running and don't have to figure it out for yourself. Have a fantastic day, everybody. More content later. info@proptradingindicators, or go to the website proptradingindicators.com for any questions. Talk to y'all later.